Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about TTM Squeeze Indicator. So as we did last time and before that, in this couple weeks we will try to promote several indicators for trading. Just in the beginning, I just want to tell you that all these indicators should not be used for market prediction because they cannot predict the market. Just help you to remove the noise, to the better way find some trading price level and enter into trade. So only that. This is not prediction indicators, and as you know that indicators cannot help you to achieve some great accuracy, etc., etc. You know that all indicators are just here to help us to remove the noise and to reduce the number of trading signals that we used in trading. As you know, when you trade, you trigger a lot of signals, but the most important thing is to make combination of fundamental and technical analysis, try to figure out the important levels, find several triggers, few of them from indicators, few of them from fundamental analysis, and then enter into trade. So I repeat this all the time and every single week because this is the strategy that most traders use, and only in this way, if you analyze and fundamental analysis and technical analysis, you can make good decisions. Now let me start. The first thing that I want to ask you is to just redefinition. What is a TTM Squeeze Indicator? A TTM Squeeze represents a trading indicator based on volatility measure that uses Keltner channels and Bollinger Bands to go to price compression. Squeeze implies a moment when the Keltner channels entirely encircle Bollinger Bands during a time of extremely low volatility. You can see on this picture how this looks like. We'll talk more about later about this indicator, and we created a very short article how this indicator works, how make comparison between upper Bollinger Band and upper Keltner channel and the lower Bollinger Band and lower Keltner channel, and using Dunchenio middle line creates the histogram and the dots, and etc., etc. But the most important thing for you, of course, is how to use this indicator. And the main thing is that the squeeze dots show when volatility circumstances are favorable for buying or selling, of course, and the motion histogram suggests whether to trade long or short. So you need to know that dots are volatility, used for volatility, and a histogram to decide to enter short or long. And a lot of traders use this indicator in the wrong way, and because of that I created this video just to show how you should think and how to trade with the trend, not against the trend. Now the most important thing, let us download this indicator like this, and now when you download, we just can unpack, copy this and put in the directory. Open data folder, find the indicator directory, and here we can put this indicator. Now let us see when we add this indicator, just like this, TTM Squeeze, you put on the chart. When you add this indicator in MetaTrader 4, how we can use it and the wrong and good way for using this indicator. So look this picture. This is the picture for today, and today is November 24. We have several days strong euro dollar bearish trend. It is because of strong US dollar. We have some news, etc., etc., basing the US dollar, and the US dollar moved the market right now. We have a lot of fundamental news. You can watch that and listen on the major stocks and market TV channels, but right now we want to concentrate using the TTM squeeze level. So what is the interesting here? How I use and how you should use this, like we want to tell breakout indicators, you should trade with the trend. So if you go to daily chart, you can see downtrend. So this downtrend is from September and today is November. So several months we have downtrend. But what is the interesting here? When you have a downtrend, what you're looking for using this indicator, you are waiting for to see the red histogram because you want to sell. And you, as you can see right now, at October 26 up to 10 November, we had a huge opportunity for sell order. So if you, in this time span, just choose one day, create the short trade, you should see the bearish trend from that. And this indicator is excellent for that. And you can see volatility using the blue dots, and you can see the trend, red line on histogram, idealistic for this. Excellent moment to enter into short trade. So this is how you can use the TTM squeeze indicator. So when you have a downtrend, you're looking for red lines to make a sell trade, wait for pullback, and then enter again into trade. And the different approach is if you have, for example, bullish trend, you're waiting to see green lines, to wait for pullback, and then make a new buy order. So this is the best approach that traders can use this indicator just to spot the right time. This is the moment when I should trade. Why is this good? For example, if you enter into trade here, or later, you will lose a lot of opportunity because you will not have such a good bearish strike. And this is the reason why we need to be patient, wait at the particular good time, and then into the trade. So this is the exactly right now. For example, you see the bullish trend on histogram here. You should not think about now I should enter, I will go to buy. Why? Because you don't know. Right now we have a monthly low. It's a several month low. It's a huge, when you have such a great low, you should not buy because it's against the trend. You should not scalp, you should not risk money. You need to wait. You need some kind of course, if you have some trigger, for example, important news that you have some expectation and so on, you have a very, very important level and several triggers, you can try buy trade, but right now it's not the time. You need to be patient and wait for some confirmation of new bullish trend or something. But in my opinion, euro dollar for me and British pound dollar is not good for buying till end of this year. Maybe I will skip the January because a huge volatility in January. Always it's a huge volatility forex market. So maybe I will skip this moment and I will not trade. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye-bye.